without expectation? If you have, then you know that helping others can be extremely rewarding. A very cheerful afternoon to everyone present here. This is Drishti from class 8, standing before you to present today's afternoon assembly on the theme Helping Others is Important. Let us start today's assembly with God's prayer. Let us pray to God to fill us with His light and hope to give us strength to help others. So get ready for harmony song. Please stand up.
School, attention!
Patriotism is a necessity for transforming any national pledge. Help us in reinforcing the sense of patriotism for our country. It's time to take pledge. For this, I would like to call Saurabh from class 8.
Everyone take pledge position. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. And very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone. Guide my happiness.
Now, stand at ease. Kindly sit down.
Newspaper provide information and general knowledge. It provides news about country's economic situation, sports, games, entertainment, but we don't get time to read newspaper in the morning. So for today's international news, I would like to call Japneet from class 8.
Today's major international news is Australia to ban TikTok on government devices.
Hello. Today's major international news is Australia to ban TikTok on government devices. Thank you. For national news, I would like to call Yash from class 8.
Today's national news is 5,880 new cases of COVID-19 found in India in 24 hours. Thanks.
For sports news, I would like to call Purva from class 8.
Good afternoon everyone. Today's sports news is KKR's Ringo Singh smokes 5 sixes in a row to shock Gujarat Titans. Thank you.
For campus news, I would like to call Shagun from class 8.
Good afternoon everyone. Today's campus news is that we have started our new educational session from 10th of April.
For regressive and progressive news, I would like to call Kushal.
Good morning everyone. Today's regressive and progressive news are progressive news. World Bank chief rises 2023 global growth outlook slightly. ICE debate progress. Aggressive news. China imposes sanctions on Taiwan's US envoy. US institutions. Thank you.
To know about new inventions, I would like to call Abhya from class 8.
Ijeka Ports raids yet another dealer selling fake spares in Ahmedabad.
And now for GK questions, I would like to call Soumya from class 8.
Good afternoon to all. Question number first. Which animal can live without water for lifetime? Which animal can live without water for lifetime? Right answer is kangaroo rat. Question number second. Study of weather called. Study of weather called. Meteorology. Which chemical element is commonly present in common salt? Which chemical element is commonly present in common salt? Common and chlorine. Which language is used by computer to process data? Right answer is binary language.